Click on the link below to get price. The JUKI MO-6814s Series Serger is a versatile and well-regarded sewing machine designed to cater to a variety of sewing needs. This model comes as a complete package, including a sturdy table and a servo motor, which enhances its overall performance and usability. At first glance, the JUKI MO-6814s features a sleek design that is both practical and efficient, making it suitable for both novice and experienced sewers alike. The machine operates with a 4-thread capability, providing users with the versatility to create a range of stitch types. This feature is particularly beneficial for those working with different fabric types or seeking to achieve unique finishes in their sewing projects. One of the key components of this serger is the servo motor, which is designed to operate more quietly than traditional motors. This can be a significant advantage for users who appreciate a quieter workspace. Additionally, the servo motor allows for better speed control, giving users the ability to adjust their sewing pace according to the complexity of their project. This feature adds a layer of comfort and precision to the sewing experience. The included table enhances the stability and support of the machine, providing a dedicated space for sewing that can accommodate various fabric sizes. The table's design offers ample surface area, which is particularly useful when working with larger projects or multiple layers of fabric. This ensures that your work remains organized and manageable. Setting up the JUKI MO-6814s is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly interface and clear instructions. Many users find that they can quickly become familiar with the machine's functions. The threading process is often highlighted as intuitive, with color-coded guides that assist in achieving the correct configuration. This feature can make a notable difference for those who may not have extensive sewing experience. In closing, the JUKI MO-6814s Series Serger stands out for its combination of functionality and ease of use. With a reliable motor, ample workspace, and the ability to create a variety of stitches, it can cater to a wide range of sewing projects. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, this machine offers a solid foundation for your creative endeavors, making it a worthy consideration for your sewing toolkit.